how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 3 of your class 6 English grammar, that is subject and predicate. So there are two parts in a subject. First is subject and second one is the predicate. So let's begin with this lesson. We use sentence to speak to others. हम sentences क्यों use करते हैं? दूसरों से बात करने के लिए use करते हैं. Every sentence that we use, either when we speak or when we write, when write consists of two parts. जब भी हम कोई sentence जो हम बोलते हैं या हम लिखते हैं, वो उसमें क्या होता है? Two parts होते हैं. That is the subject and the predicate. So every sentence consists of two parts. The person or thing we speak about, जिस कोई भी person या चीज के बारे में जिसके बारे में हम बोल रहे होते हैं. Second is what we speak about that person or thing, और हम उस person or thing के बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं. Now look at this sentence. The dog barks at strangers. The dog क्या हो गया? Subject हो गया आपका जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Barks at stranger, that is your predicate. Now in this sentence, when we speak about the dog and when we say about what it is, and when we say about it is that it is bark at strangers. So that part of the sentence which means the sentence is about the subject. First one क्या आपका जिस subject के बारे में आपका sentence, that part of the sentence which says something about the subject is predicate. जो part किसी subject के बारे में बोलता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? Predicate कहते हैं. So look at the picture, read these sentences. आपको picture पे look करना है, फिर आपको sentences read करना है. The mangoes are very sweet. तो mango क्या हो गया आपका subject हो गया, are very sweet is your predicate. The children fly kite. The children is your subject and fly kites is your predicate. Now in sentence what the mangoes are very sweet. The what is the subject? It is the mangoes. Mangoes क्या है आपका subject हो गया. What is said about it? It is said that they are very sweet. So that is the predicate. So in sentence 2, Varun goes to school. Varun is your subject. And what is said about her? It said that he goes to school. That is your predicate. In some sentence, the subject is you, so it is implied and not stated. कभी कभी subject में क्या होता है, आप ही होते हो और वो implied नहीं होता और not specifically stated होता है. Like come inside means you come inside. So close the door means you close the door. Sit down means you sit down. अब यहाँ पे you clearly mention नहीं है, subject clearly mention नहीं है, but यहाँ में समझना पड़ता है. So usually the subject of a sentence comes first. कभी कभी हमेशा ज़्यादा क्या होता है, subject of sentence ना पहले ही आता है. However, in certain cases it comes after the predicate. कुछ certain cases में वो predicate के बाद आता है. Like brush your teeth, listen to the radio. The subject may consist of one words or several words. जो subjects में क्या होता है वो आपके one word भी हो सकता है, several words भी हो सकते हैं. The predicate may also consist of one word or several words. Like read the following sentences. We slept. We subject slept is a predicate. Rishi is eating the bear. Rishi is the subject is eating the bear. Cake is your predicate. Now when the subject of sentence consists of several words, जब subject of जो होता है आपका sentence का उसमें बहुत सारे words होते हैं, there is always one word which is more important than the other word. हमेशा क्या होता है, एक word ऐसा होता है जो दूसरे से ज़्यादा important होता है. This word is called the subject word. उस word को क्या कहते हैं हम? Subject word कहते हैं. The subject word is always a noun. Subject word क्या होता है? हमेशा noun होता है of a or a word or group of words. या तो words होगा, word होगा, group of words होता है. That does the work of a noun. वो या तो ऐसे work करता है किसका? Noun का. Like read these sentences. An old man was standing near the path. The old door made a creaking sound. So the subject consists of three words. So an old man three words हो गया. And the most important word is the man. So which is a noun. So the subject consists of two words, the old door. So here the important word is old door, which is doing the work of a noun. So it is an adjective. वो noun का work कर रहा है, but वो क्या है? Adjective है. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.